Hello everyone, welcome to pharmacy lectures. Today we are going to discuss generation of acetyl coenzyme A. So let's start. Acetyl coenzyme A can be generated by three processes. They can generate it either by oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate from glycolysis or oxidation of long chain fatty acids through beta oxidation or oxidative degradation of certain amino acids. So let's start. Oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate from glycolysis. This is an irreversible reaction catalyzed by a multi-enzyme complex also known as pyruvate dehydrogenase. This pyruvate dehydrogenase, which is found only in the mitochondria, high activities of PDH are found in cardiac muscle and kidney. This enzyme PDH requires 5 cofactors or coenzymes. They are TPP, lipoamide, FAD, coenzyme A, and NAD+. Here lipoamide contains lipoic acid linked to epsilon amino group of lysine. The overall reaction of PDH is here. This is pyruvate. It reacts with NAD+ and thiocoenzyme A. You can call this thiocoenzyme A or you can simply call it coenzyme A. And with PDH, this PDH requires these all 5 cofactors, and our pyruvate is converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Here one molecule of CO2 is evolved here, and NADH and H plus are also produced. Next, oxidation of long chain fatty acids. From this oxidation also acetyl coenzyme A is produced. The beta oxidation of fatty acids involves 3 stages. First is fatty acid activated to acyl coenzyme A in cytosol. Here thiocoenzyme A or coenzyme A is attached by removing this oxygen. This oxygen is removed and thiocoenzyme A is attached at the terminal position of acid group. And in second step, acyl coenzyme A is transported into the mitochondria. Since acyl coenzyme A cannot be directly transported into mitochondria, first this acyl coenzyme A does reaction with carnitine in presence of carnitine palmitoyl transferase first, and this acyl coenzyme A is converted into acyl carnitine, and this acyl carnitine can be easily transported into the mitochondria, and this acyl carnitine again reacts with thiocoenzyme A in presence of carnitine palmitoyl transferase 2, and this acyl carnitine is converted into acyl coenzyme A, and this acyl coenzyme A can be processed by beta oxidation. And in third step, beta oxidation proper occurs in the mitochondrial matrix, where acetyl coenzyme A is produced from beta oxidation of fatty acids. Here acyl coenzyme A reacts with FAD, NAD+, water and coenzyme A or thiocoenzyme A, and produces acyl coenzyme A, which is 2 carbon less in comparison to this previous acyl coenzyme A. Here you can see here are 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. Okay, now here is only 1 carbon. This is a carbon here in carbon C double bond O, means in this carbon C double bond O is attached, and from this CS3 and this acetyl coenzyme A is clipped off here, and acetyl coenzyme is formed, and other products formed are FADH2, NADH and H plus. And in third way, oxidative degradation of certain amino acids also give rise to acetyl coenzyme A. These amino acids alanine, cysteine, glycine, serine, threonine and tryptophan, these amino acids give rise to pyruvate, and from this pyruvate acetyl coenzyme A is formed. And other amino acids, isoleucine, leucine, and tryptophan, they directly give rise to acetyl coenzyme A. And these amino acids, leucine, lysine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, and tyrosine, they can be converted into acetoacetyl coenzyme A, and from this acetoacetyl coenzyme A, further acetyl coenzyme A can be formed. So in these all ways, acetyl coenzyme A can be generated. So thank you.